The pioneering FTP from Hobart takes dishwashing technology to a new dimension, light years ahead of any other flight type dishwasher on the market. The patented wash system introduces higher wash temperatures and an optimised rinsing system to deliver a faster cleaning process. This reduces the consumption of resources and provides an exceptional end result. Outstanding wash and rinse performance allows the FTP to operate at up to 20% higher speeds compared to a standard flight type machine, which means increased performance without the large footprint. In addition, energy usage is reduced by 30%, water usage by up to 50% and detergent usage by up to 80%. The Jetstream dryer directs the air to the wash item evenly using air channels positioned below the wash items, producing a substantially improved drying result. Top temp energy management dramatically lowers convected and radiated heat losses from the machine, reducing energy consumption by as much as 30% and lowering your carbon footprint. The revolutionary FTP from Hobart, leaders by example.